Now I'm going to be washing the truck and the camper. First time of the season, which is spring, so it's still spring. It's a few more days until it's summer. That's done. Now let's head to the park.
Good. Stay straight. Just stay straight. All right. More or less what you wanted, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's fine. Okay. Welcome back. I'm Frisky the Beaver, and this camping trip is just only one night. Just because of our real life is not allowing us to camp more than one night. So hopefully you stay tuned to watch what we're up to. Now we're going to head to McDonald's to get some of the new flavored drinks for summertime. You might have to move. So my sister's trying to work the McDonald's app, but this park has never liked my phones. I don't know why, but it's just my park. This is this park. Yeah, so we have to move the car to see if we can get a better signal to put our order through. It's not hot, like extreme hot, but I think there's a little humidity in the air because right now I am boiling. So today's camping trip, we still have to pack the food tent from the last time we came camping. So there's a campsite beside us that is open in grass. So my sister will be doing that today after we get the drinks. And we're gonna buy wood for a campfire either tonight or tomorrow morning. We don't know yet. Or both. My sister would like both. I know Constance would like both too, so for me it doesn't really matter. Go away. So me and my sister have just been chilling at the camp on the picnic table, finishing the drinks. Now my sister's going to attempt to fold the food tent back into its bag. And now she's taking everything out of the car, the truck I mean, just to get to the bag that has the food tent in. My sister's making me laugh. You can't do that. So, walking to the other campsite that has grass to do this. I'm going to be watching my sister.
No, you're helping.
Nope, watching.
Helping.
Nope. I would help you with my opinion.
I don't need that.
Obviously.
Now what? Roll it or fold it in half?
Back at camp. When a bird is singing, maybe a blue jay or a cardinal, not too sure. Just gonna do more relaxing and do nothing realistically. Just a little too warm still. But if you're in the shade and the wind is blowing, it's cool.
Yeah.
So I'm inside now. I have to hopefully change my UBS port. I bought this off Amazon to replace this one. It's the 12 volt plug one. It's not working. I don't know what happened to it. It's not working. But the other side is working, so I'll have to do that. Now, hopefully I can get it done today. Has to go. So as you can see, I changed it to UBS on both sides. Now they're both the same. I can turn it on, shows me the wattage, which I actually kind of like, and I can turn it off. The other one is still good. The old one is still good. I actually have another place that I want to add this to, but that's at a later date because this 21 minutes for me to do it, because I had the these little key nut things. They didn't quite fit the hole that this sits in, so I had to shave one side off for it to fit. That's basically why it took 21 minutes of my time. As you can see, in my truck, I have the air conditioning going. It got a little warm in the camper. It's making some of that noise still, so I'm sure it's the squirrel cage it's broken. I don't know when I'm gonna fix it, even go up to look at it, because at the moment, maybe in July I can go camping again. If you don't know, the World Cup is happening in Toronto where I live, and that's causing a few problems for me and my sister because she works. She's going to be working those days, so yeah. So we don't really know when we're going camping again. It's probably sometime in July. But in July, the last week in July, we have a huge camping trip coming along, so I'm looking for that. We are going to go back into the States. We are going to a concert venue that my sister wants to go do. I am going to go to this, while she's doing that, I'm going to explore the state park that we're going to camp at. And then hopefully after that, we're going to see some our American friends that we met at the rally last year. They live about 10 hours away on Google, so it's probably going to be like a 12-hour drive. We kind of have to make that fast drive there because we want to spend at least 2 to 3 days with them before we head back to Canada. So that's a big camping trip in July, last week in July and first week in August. We are looking forward to that. Now we are going to wait a little bit before we start the fire. My sister has already set that up, and that's all we're going to be doing tonight. We will catch you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. It's the departure day. Last night was actually pretty nice. It got a little cooler, but nothing extreme. Didn't have to run the heater, which I was very happy. So my sister's getting ready to go get breakfast for us. She's going to go into town and get breakfast for us, and then we're going to have our morning fire. And then we are probably going to slowly pack up and leave. This one night camping was pretty good. Too bad it wasn't 2 nights, but what can we do with that? Sometimes these things happen. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. There's like no clouds in the sky. So I forgot to show you the campsite. It's basically half underneath pine trees. There's the campfire, the camper. Where the camper is, that's open up to the sun, so my solar can get sun in the morning throughout the day. So as I wait for my sister to come back with our breakfast, I am building the morning fire with the wood we have. My sister's supposed to be bringing back another bag of hardwood, and the mosquitoes are relentless against me, even though I have mosquito repellent and then mosquito repellent on me. They just love me, unfortunately. So you can see my sister's back from getting breakfast. She's having wraps with homemade fries. I'm just having homemade fries because that's basically the only thing there that I can eat.
I want to try somewhere else, but they have less selection for you.
So we have the fire going, and now we're going to enjoy it. As my sister was at the coming back into the park and buying another set of wood, a lady was trying to get a refund for leaving a day early, because apparently it's supposed to thunder and lightning this afternoon, but we should be gone by then. Yeah, so we're just going to enjoy breakfast and the fire. Well, that's the end of this video. Me and my sister's about to leave. I would like to thank you for watching this video and spending time. watching this video as well. Remember to like and comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed or followed the channel, please do so, and then you'll get notified when the next video is out. And again, thank you again for watching this video.